Alright, what's going on YouTube? One in a million here. I'm back with another video. It's been a while since I made a video. This one's a little bit different. What we're going to be doing today is reviewing the new Ram Morimotos that I bought for my Ram 1500 2014. And there we go, people. They look slick as hell. So I'll get to a little bit of the description first, but just right now I just wanted you guys just to see how it looks during the, I guess there's some daylight right now. The sun is going down, but there you go. All right guys, so let's go ahead and turn my truck on. Let me hit the remote start on my key fob. 2 times should do it. Let's see how it looks with the daytime running lights on. There we go. There we go. Looks like a carbon copy of the 2019 Rams. And to be exact, Morimoto actually copied the Ram Limited 2019. It looks slick. You just look at it. It looks nice. If I go all the way back, let's go all the way back. All the way. You see how it looks? Looks clean as hell, people. That's how my truck looks driving down the road. I love it. So I actually switched this out for the projectors. It had HID, it had all the bells and whistles actually. It had the Demon Eye, the color changing RGB board. It had some stitching inside, the lens. It pretty much did it all, people. But whenever these bad boys came out, I just knew I had to get these for sure. I just knew it from the beginning. Alright people, so as you can see right now, these two right here are the daytime running lights. So for my truck, the way they installed it, these two are always going to be on, no matter what. Let's see the other side as well. There we go. There we go. Alright, so right now my remote start is on. Let me turn it off real quick. Now, what I'm actually going to do now is actually turn it on. So let's go into my truck. Oh yeah, you haven't followed my social media, make sure you go ahead and follow. I have my Instagram for my truck, the Real Megatron 5.7. Twitter I don't get so much, but go ahead and follow me there. Of course, YouTube and Snapchat. Alright, let's turn it on, people. You know, got the red interior there. So you can see in the garage port. Okay, there we go, there we go. Let's come outside again and let's see how it looks with the actual projector beams on. So it has the dual projectors, which I think are really great there. Dual projectors. If you go on this side too as well, dual projectors. Now let's see the light output. Let's go, let's go. As you can see how bright it is, it actually reaches all the way to my garage. How slick is that? Let's see how far it is away. That's slick. So if any of y'all doubters who think that these are not bright, I hope that this convinces you that it is really bright. Especially when you're driving at night and it's dark out. These really do bright up the road. No doubt about that. So let me put the blinkers on. And one of the problems I've been having with my truck is a sequential turn signal. So for this one, I don't have a sequential. See? Right there, I just have the whole light on. But I'm gonna get that fixed soon. I have actually a harness coming in from the retrofit source, and hopefully should be able to fix that problem. Alright guys, just to answer some of the most common questions that I know that you guys may have. One question that comes to mind is, are these worth it? In my opinion, yes, for two reasons. One, is the badass look that it has. I love the daytime running lights. And two, because it actually performs well at night. It shines bright. I don't have it yet, but I love that it has the option for sequential turn signal, dual projectors, and whenever you hit the high beams, bright as hell, so it is worth it. Yeah, I hope that by you watching this video that you're convinced that this is something that it's actually worth doing to your truck. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with the projectors, but for me, I just had to switch it up. And for guys here in Houston who know my truck very well, they know that I had all the bells and whistles, color changing headlights and all that. But you know, sometimes you just have to take a risk and make the change. All right, people. So what I'm doing right now is I'm letting it get dark a little bit outside before I show you how the lights actually perform at night. And what I might do a little test run as well, just so y'all can get the full picture. These are beautiful, real gorgeous. Attention to detail is really great. Alright people, so let me start my truck on. Let's see if I can find it. It's hard to tell here. Okay, there you go. Ram Morimoto. There we go. Let's see how the light output is. Guys and girls,